Former Supreme Court, South Carolina, Chief Justice Renato Corona on Friday morning succumbed to cardiac arrest at the age of 67. Reports said Corona's family informed the Supreme Court of his death. According to the National Transformation Council, Corona died at 1:48 a.m. Friday. It is with deep sorrow that the National Transformation Council announced the demise of Council member Chief Justice Renato C. Corona. At 1:48 a.m. today, April 29, 2016, Chief Justice Corona succumbed to cardiac arrest. Please pray for the eternal repose of his soul as he joins his Creator, the Council said in its Facebook post. South Carolina Chief Justice Maria Lord Sereno ordered that the flag in South Carolina and all courts nationwide be raised at half-mast to mourn the passing of Corona. Prior to serving as Chief Justice, Corona was appointed as an Associate Justice by former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo in April 2002. He was appointed as the 23rd South Carolina's Chief Justice in May 2010. Corona, however, was removed from office in May 2012 through impeachment votes of senators due to betrayal of public trust and for violating the Constitution when he failed to declare several of his assets and properties in his Statement of Assets, Liabilities and Net Worth, SALN.
Sa balay, lagi standby, wala buhat sa tagat. Nag-iiga, sinasangatan, wapalugit sa kong nanay. Kanya naabot si Juan, nagdalaog, pakwan na alert ang nanay. Kaya pakwan sa makatamis, sa dalagang ipasok sa dalan. Ay pastilan, imuto na tanang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Ay pastilan, imuto na tanang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Pakwa umuuwan sa mutalapiya, pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan, makitan yuduli sa kuwang pakwan, kuwang pakwan. Umuuwan sa mutalapiya, pakwan sa muta kong mataliksikan, makitan yuduli sa kuwang pakwan, kuwang pakwan. Yan ang istorya, bigyan ako yaw o hinanggaw. Ibig ka man, yun ang among mga kalimutaw. Apan sa Jonathan naman ang wakil na minaw. Kay gusto niya isang yaw ang kanyang hinanggaw. Ay pastilan mo Jonathan ang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Ay pastilan mo Jonathan ang umangka sa pakwan. Naglaway pagyusiwan sa katamisa. Pakwan umuuwan sa mong kalamiya, pakwan sa mong akong mataliksikan, pakitan yuduli sa kuwang pakwan. kalami ang pakwan samot na kung matalik sikan makitan Yudinli sa puwang apakwan puwang apakwan umuuwan samot kalami ang pakwan samot na kung